I am KP Dharigowda. Thank you for watching my videos. Today I am going to teach you addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of fractions. Okay, in one shot we can learn addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. See, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to what? 1 only. Half plus half is equal to full. This is half, full. Then how we have to count? See, denominators are same. This is given, this is half plus half is equal to 1. You are writing. 2 by 2 it is. 2 by 2 is nothing but 1 you are calling. See, because already we know from LKG we understood that mummy I want half chapati, half too if bhaji is very nice, then another half you taken means 1 chapati you ate. That is. See, 1 by 9 plus 3 by 9. If it is so, see, when denominators are same, then you need to keep denominator as it is. Then here denominators are same. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 by 9 it is. Okay. Only thing, 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. It is not 18 because 18 parts we have not made. Here from 9 1 we taken, here from 9 3 we taken. So at last how many we taken? From 9 we taken 4. Got? You have to understand like this. Dancing understand it is. From 9 1, from 9 3 is nothing but from 9 4. Okay. See. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 5 if it is given. Here denominators are not been same, not given same. Then from 4 3, from 5 1, from 9 how much? No, it is not so. Because two equal parts are there, isn't it? See, from 5 4, two equal parts are there. See, here 4 parts made, and here how many? 5 parts made. Here 3 taken, 1 remained. Here 1 only taken. Then from how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 we taken? No, because parts are not equal. Yeah. Parts are not. From picture we can't tell it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 parts are. What is condition? Parts should be equal. Here 1 taken, here 1 taken. 1, 2, 3, 4, from 4, 2 taken. No. From 4 you have not taken. From same, both here half, you are adding. So here half, it is 1 full. See, here half is there, visible. Here half is there, visible. These 2 halves we taken. 2 halves we taken. Half halves. See, so you should not add these 2. Then how we have to do? We have to make again, find the LCM of 4 and 5. LCM of 4 and 5 are 2. What kind of numbers these two are? Co-prime numbers. So 4 5s are 20. 4 multiplied with 5. So here 3 should be multiplied by 5. 4 5s are 20. Then here 5 4s are 20. Then 5 3s are 15 plus 4 1s are 4. That what amount it is then? It is 19 by 20. 15 plus 4 are 19. 19 by 20. What it tells is 3 over 4 and 1 over 5 is nothing but 19 over 20. Good? Huh? So LCM we have to find and do like that. If 3 are given, 3 by 5 plus 1 by 15 plus 7 by 30, 5 by 6 if it is given. Then here also you need to take LCM. See 5, 15, 30, 6. Among given numbers, if bigger number is multiple of remaining numbers, then that is LCM. 6 5 is a 30, 30 1 is a 30, 15 2 is a 30, 5 2 is a 30, 5 6 is a 30. Okay, 30 is LCM. 5 6 is a 30, 15 2 is a 30, 30 1 is a 30, 5 say 6 5 is a 30. So 6 3 is a 18 plus 2 1s are 2 plus 7 1s are 7 plus 5 5s are 25. See, if denominators are same, 18 by 30, 2 by 30, 7 by 30, 20 by 30, 18 by 30 means 3 by 5. So these are should be added. 18 plus 2, 20, 27, 27, 52. 52 by 30. This is, we call it as naked answer. So we have to put some clothes to the baby so that it gives more attraction, meaning. So what it is here, 31s are 30, 32s are 60 is there, 52 divided by 30, 31s are 30, what remained? 22 remained, 22 by 30. Okay, some will make that here, this is, and some make that here they divide it with same number. They divide it same number. Reducement they do. And how we are reducing? Both the numbers are even numbers. So if we reduced, see both the even means they are divisible by 2. 2, how much it is? 2 into 26. 2 2s are 4, 6 1 remains, 2 6s are 26 2s are 50, 25 2s are 50, 26 2s are 52. Then 2 into 15, 2 into 15. See, then common are 2 2, 2 2. No, I will not talk now because 2 2 you given. No, we made now. We are friends now because this is over. See, 2 2 over, and what remained here is 26 by 15. Then the 26 by 15 should be made into part. 15 ones are 15. This is 1 1. 11 by 15. This is nothing but 26 by 15 is nothing but 1 over 1 of L1 by 15. 1 half L1 by 15. 1 whole L1 by 15. Whatever. These value are both are same because these are all equivalent fractions. 52 by 30 are 26 by 15. 1 of 22 by 30 and 1 of 11 by 15. These are all equivalent fractions. You will learn more in division and multiplication. Okay, addition you understood. So what you have to do is, first if denominators are not same, then make them, take the LCM of that and do like that. Okay, now we have to go for subtraction, addition over. We have to go for subtraction. Fractions. See, 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 2 by 4. Isn't it? From 3, you are cutting 1 and you will gain 2. You will have 2. 3. If equal parts are there, then you have to reduce as it is. As you subtract, likewise subtract. 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay. If it is so, then what you do? Hmm. 18. Then how you do? Here also you need to take LCM. 4 and 18's LCM is, we have to go. Isn't it? 2 2s are 2 9s are. 2 and 9 are co-prime numbers. 9 2s are all you have to multiply. 9 2s are 18 2s are 36. 4 9s are 36 it is. 18 2s are 36. Okay. 4 is multiplied by 9. 18 is multiplied by 2. So, same numerator is multiplied. Numerator is multiplied. Okay. Then 9 3s are 27. Minus 7 2s are 40. That's equal to 7 minus 4 is 3 and 2 minus 1 is 1. 13 by 36. This is what answer. This is what answer. And if 3 things are given, then what you do? See, 4 of 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 7 by 8. If it is given, what you are doing? See, this should be changed into improper fractions. See, 4 2s are here multiplying and here adding. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9 by 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 7 by 8. Isn't it? Then 8 is not, because among given numbers 8 is not multiple of 3. It is multiple of 2, whereas it is not 3. So, we need to find, because these two are co-prime numbers, then 8 3s are 24 you can write. Because we should not consider 2. Why? Because it is factor of 8. Isn't it? When the 8 times cat is jumping from same hole, then it's 1/4 is not jumping. So obviously it will jump from that hole, isn't it? Because it is big, it is small. Huh? Hole is same, 8 is going up, whereas 2 can also not. So then 2 4s are 8, 3 8s are 24, 8 3s are 24. 4 9s are 36, minus 8 1s are 8, minus 7 3s are 21. Okay, 36 minus, not plus, minus only, but how many? 29. That is 36 minus 29, 7. 7 plus 9 is, 9 plus 7 is 16, 36 it is. 24. 7 by 24 is the answer. Okay, like this, if it is given. Now, sometimes addition and subtraction will be jointed and given. Addition and see, 3 by 4 plus 2 integer 1 by 2 plus 5 by 4 minus 1 by 8 minus 3 by 16. If it is so given, then what you are doing? 1 of 3 by 16 if it is given. You have to make first all the things into improper. 3 by 4 plus 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 by 2 plus 5 by 4 minus 1 by 8 minus 16 1s are 16 plus 3, 19 by 16. Then find LCM. 4 2 4 8 16, 16 because 16 is the multiple of 4 2 4 8. So 4 4s are 16, 2 2 2 8s are 16, 4 4s are 16, 8 2s are 16, 16 1s are 16. 4 3s are 12 plus 5 8s are 40 plus 5 4s are 20 minus 2 1s are 2 minus 19 1s are 19. See, 12 plus 40 plus 20. 2 7 minus 2 70 minus 19 1 5. Then what is this? 51 by 16. 51 by 16. Then if you 16 3s are 48, then remains is 3. Yes, then 3 of 3 upon 16 is the answer. Okay? Okay. See, sometimes we have to make easy. 2 and 1. See here, 2 minus 1 is 1 remained. Then here we should not consider these whole numbers, we should not. Already 2 minus 1 is 1. Then 16 is LCM. 4 4s are 2 8s are 4 4s are 8 2s are 16 1s are 4 3s are 12 plus 8 1s are 8 plus 4 5s are 20 minus 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3. See, 20 minus 5 is 15. 15 plus 20 is 35 by 16. Then what is this 35 by 16? This is 35 by 16. 16 twos are 32. 3 remains. 3 by 16 plus 2. This already, this is 3 of 3 by 16. Like this, some mouth calculation is also, from mouth calculator also you can do. Okay, first integers we have to take. 2 minus 1 is 1 we kept. Then 2 and 1 are gone. 3 by 4, 1 by 2, 5 by 4, 1 by 8, 3 by 16 remained. That I calculated 35 by 16 came. If it is proper fraction, then you could have been put same only. Whereas this is improper fraction, has 2 full and 3 by 16. So 3 by 16 I written here, 2 I added, and 3 by 16. 3 of 3 by 16. Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you very much.